And I can assure you, I won't let you down.
All right.
I won't let you down. We are going to campaign around the country to sell our message for the resuscitation of the MPP as a party. The morale is down, and we are going to raise the morale to face the NDC come next year, 2024. I have never sponsored any poll.
Yes.
Find out who is sponsoring those polls. If I sponsor a poll, I bet you they will say that I'm first. But I won't, because it's self-defeating. It doesn't serve any purpose. We know what you are doing on the ground. So all the polls in the world can say whatever they want, but we are talking about the 900 people who will be voted, the only sector which has the capacity to do that. And I'm the biggest witness because I've managed the agricultural sector for 6 years in this country, the past 6 years. It's the only one with the resource to be able to generate foreign exchange, to finance our industrialization, our health, our education, our infrastructure,